were like, wait, all right, I know how to do it now. We were like, huh. All right.